Entering the third generation, the MPV model not only has a more stylish design inside and out, but is also developed on the new Daihatsu New Global Architecture platform. As a result, the new Toyota Avanza 2022 has a larger and more spacious size and is converted from rear-wheel drive to front-wheel drive. Starting with the exterior, the Avanza 2022 has a more advanced design than its predecessors. It features a bold front grille, powerful LED headlights on all variants, distinct fog light surrounds, muscular wheel arches, and a new trunk door with redesigned LED taillights. Depending on the version, Avanza 2022 will come with 15 or 16-inch wheels. In terms of dimensions, the new Avanza is 4,395 mm long, 1,730 mm wide, and 1,700 mm high. Compared to the previous generation, this MPV model is 205 mm longer, 70 mm wider, and 5 mm taller. On the other hand, the wheelbase has been extended from 2,655 mm to 2,750 mm, providing a more spacious interior. In terms of interior, the MPV has a more modern design. The dashboard is redesigned with sleeker air vents, redesigned gauges, 3-spoke steering wheel, and updated center console. Depending on the variant, the Avanza will be equipped with 8-inch or 6.75-inch touchscreen infotainment screens. The MPV model has features such as FM radio, Bluetooth, USB, aux, and supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. Other notable interior features include an engine start-stop button, rear USB charging port, black-brown two-tone fabric seats, and a 4.2-inch multi-information display. Notably, both the second and third row seats have a new long sofa mode, allowing customers to arrange their seats in the car like a waiting room. Under the bonnet, Avanza 2022 is offered with two engine options. The first is a 1.5-liter engine that produces 106 PS of power and 138 Nm of peak torque. Next is the 1.3-liter engine with a capacity of 98 PS and a maximum torque of 122 Nm. The standard version will come with a 5-speed manual transmission, while higher variants will come with a new CVT transmission that replaces the 4-speed automatic transmission. In terms of safety equipment, the most advanced G version will be equipped with a blind spot monitor and a rear cross-traffic alert system. Meanwhile, all variants will come with hill start assist system, body stability control, traction control, and anti-lock braking. In Philippines market, Toyota Avanza 2022 is distributed with 4 versions, with prices ranging from 813,000 to 1,039,000 Philippine peso.